In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to create a website with a consistent layout or simply want to save time, duplicating pages can be a highly effective tool in your Squarespace toolkit. Let's get started with these simple and straightforward steps. First, make your way to your Squarespace homepage. This is the central hub for all the configurations and customizations you can perform on your site. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see a left-hand menu that will guide you through the different areas of your site configuration. Next, you'll want to click on the website link from the main menu on the left side of your screen. This takes you to a new section where you'll manage all aspects of your website, from design to pages and even the finer details like settings. Once you're in this section, the next step is to locate and click on the Pages link. You'll find this is where your entire site structure is laid out, allowing you to manage which pages appear where and how they're connected. With the Pages section open, target the specific page you want to duplicate. Click on it, and you should notice a gear icon appear near the page's name. This icon is crucial as it leads you to the settings for that particular page. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to expose further options in a settings menu. Once in the settings menu, you'll notice an option that says Duplicate Page. Clicking this prompts Squarespace to start the duplication process. It's as simple as hitting that option, but before you proceed, ensure that you really want to duplicate that page exactly as it is. This will copy all the existing content, layout, and settings. After clicking to duplicate the page, you'll need to confirm the action. Simply click on Confirm when prompted. This verification step ensures that no accidental duplications are made, keeping your site tidy and organized. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to name your duplicated page. Enter a name that clearly identifies the new page's purpose or content to help maintain clarity in your site structure. Once you've typed in your chosen name, save your changes. And there you have it. Your new duplicated page is ready for further tweaks or publication as needed. Duplicating pages not only saves time, but also helps maintain consistency across your site. With this knowledge, you can efficiently manage your content and ensure every page meets your precise design and functional requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back in for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Squarespace experience.